my name is Viviana, and today we're going to practice more pronunciation, now with letter T, right? When we're focusing on the T and the TH, there's going to be a difference, right? We're going to see which words sound that you just need a T, and some words that we need to pronounce the TH in. When we have the letter T, this is going to be vocalized. This means we're going to make the sound T instead of the sound TH. For this one, this is going to be our not vocalized. Okay, that means that we are going to have to use the word TH, the sound. For this one, we are not. So I'm going to write down words and we're going to practice them, right? Here, one of the simple words is this. This. There's more of a sound of a T than there is the H. This. You also have the. The. It sounds more like a T. D. Then you have they. They. Again, this should be helping you. They. They. You also have there. There, right? Location, there. You have weather, weather. And then you have mother, mother. Of course, I am not saying mother, mother. That is using this one. I am not saying weather, weather. I'm saying weather, weather. Again, not saying there, I'm saying there. Something that should help you, if it is very difficult to pronounce the T, I recommend to use the letter D. Use the letter D, like there, they, the, and this. If it is difficult for you to pronounce the T, pronounce the T as a D. This, the, they, there, weather, and mother. They should help you. Again, ignore the H, right? And replace the sound with either a T or a D. It is okay if you cannot do both. Again, the easier one is going to be the letter D. Now for our not vocalized, we're going to have words such as thanks, right? Thanks, thanks, thin, theater, Thursday, right? Thursday, three, and thing. So here, I do not say thanks, thanks. I say thanks. Again, making that, my tongue is going to come out, right? For here, I just say this, this, thanks. Do you see that? Thanks. The same thing here, thin. You're gonna make that, right? Thin, thin, theater, theater, Thursday, Thursday, three, thing, thing. Again, making that. This one, you do not need to put the D or the T sound. So what I recommend is using these words, looking in a mirror, if you can play the video, and just practice, right? Practice these words with either the letter T, which is vocalized, or if you cannot pronounce the T, use the other vocalized letter, D. D is going to help you a lot to pronounce these words, to separate the difference between these words and these words. So again, just practice in the mirror, and hopefully this has been helpful. Again, I hope to see you in class soon.